Have you ever lost potential customers because your website took just a few seconds too long to load? Adobe Edge Delivery Services can give your website a serious speed boost and a competitive edge. So, what exactly is Adobe Edge Delivery Services? Think of it as a next-gen content delivery powerhouse. It's designed to supercharge how digital content is delivered, making websites and applications lightning fast, while ensuring an ultra-smooth user experience. Built on Adobe's cloud-native infrastructure, this technology helps optimize content delivery right from the edge of the network, reducing latency and improving site performance significantly. Why does it matter? Well, here's the deal. Studies show that a 1-second delay in page load time can reduce conversions by up to 20%. That's massive. With Edge Delivery Services, your content loads faster, smoother, and more efficiently, keeping your audience engaged and improving search rankings. In short, it's not just about speed, it's about business growth. So how does Adobe pull this off? It leverages edge computing, meaning instead of serving content from a central server that might be miles away, it distributes it across multiple edge locations closer to your users. This reduces latency, enhances security, and ensures that your content loads faster. Plus, with built-in caching, smart optimizations, and seamless integrations with Adobe Experience Manager, it takes performance to the next level. Who should use it? If you run an e-commerce store, media website, or any content-rich platform, this technology is a must-have. With Adobe's robust security features, you get speed without compromising safety. Adobe Edge Delivery Services boosts site speed, delivering content in under 1 second to reduce bounce rates and improve conversions. It enhances SEO, drives organic traffic, and simplifies content management for non-technical teams. It also handles peak traffic seamlessly without overloading servers, while Real User Monitoring offers real-time insights to quickly address performance issues. How to get started? Adobe Edge Delivery Services makes it easy, especially with Adobe Experience Manager. With seamless integration, smart automation, and real-time analytics, optimizing content has never been simpler. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on digital innovation. See you in the next video.